We got a storm moving in, and I can't think of a better way to kick off our rain guard vent visor installation video than a day like today. All right, guys, it's going to be all about the F150. Doesn't matter if you got a Raptor, XLT, Platinum, Limited, XL, it does not matter. As long as you got the 4 windows of the Super Crew right there. So a few years ago, I made a video that was a little controversial about rain guards, and it was for a 2017 F150 I did at the time. Y'all check the video out right here. And that video is also linked down below in the description. I can tell y'all that I was trying to decide on rain guards, and there's 2 different types. There's a stick on the outside, and there's an end channel groove. And the end channel really looks a lot more custom and tucked up in there. It really looks better, in my honest opinion. But the newer Fords always have that same issue. When you roll the window up, it hits that sensor. Like, you know, if you were to stick your head in the window, it's not going to continue to go up. It's going to bounce back down. So there is a sensor in there, and it's frustrating for guys that put these in-channel rain guards or vent visors or wind visors, whatever you want to call them, in that channel. Well, what happens is it rolls up, immediately it hits, rolls back down. Some guys will argue that there's no issues with that, and some will tell you that every time they ditched them. I found a company that's got the end channels that doesn't have that problem. So y'all are going to want to watch this install video of the Maxzina rain guards. Got them right here, all 4 pieces for the Super Crew. And within the kit, they're going to give you the alcohol pads, instructions. They're going to give you some clips, and these main clips or retainers are going to be a valuable part of this install to help hold these to where the window closes right and everything fits properly. And they're also going to give you a trim tool right here, some more double-sided tape if you need that, and 2 gloves right here just to cover all the bases. So let's get at it, guys. First step, roll your windows down. Now take a microfiber towel and clean that window track. Open up one of the 4 alcohol pads provided and wipe that window track really well. I'm going to leave the protective plastic on the outside of it for right now, but I'm going to remove this red lining to the adhesive tape. But the middle section of the red tape backing, you only pull it about halfway off and just leave it dangling like that. Now we're going to stick the back side up in the groove first. Go all the way up to the front, working your way. Kind of have to bend it a little. There we go. All right, now your little tail right here, you pull that. Now we can go ahead and remove this film. Carefully, take your time. Just pull it off. So next we're going to open up our clips or retainers or buckles. And you'll see a diagram of where they go right here. It goes at the very front and then at the very back of the visor. Now, next step is to put the buckle in the channel on the inside, right here towards the top of the mirror or the plastic out here. You'll see about where the top is, but facing forward. You're going to go just like that. I don't know if you can see it. And we're going to take our tool and push that in. Hear it pop in. On the back side up here, we're going exactly the same, just with the buckle like this. Put your tool in, You feel it pop right in. Now watch this. Rolling it up, and it stays up. So even though you got the buckles in place in the key positions where it holds everything, you still want that window rolled up 24 hours at least, because that double-sided tape has to cure and it has to stick properly. Now on this back one, we want to take this first little piece of tape off. There's not a third piece of tape, so it's just two on the back, but we still want to pull it about halfway right there where your little squiggly tail is sticking down, and we're going to put it up in there. I usually do the back first, come up with it like that, pull the squiggly tail, it's in, we take this off, and guys, it's crucial that you put these buckles in the correct spot. If you put them up here, it's not going to work. We're going to grab this right here, put it in just like that. Move to the back side, hold it with one finger, take the tool with the other, push it in there really good, we'll roll it up. No issues, doesn't bounce back. Be sure to wipe every window channel with the individual alcohol pads. And if you guys worry that this protective film is going to be in the way, you can go ahead and pull it off before you get to install. Just like that. Well, you're going to have some on the back as well. So yeah, you may want to pull that off first. It just makes it a little easier. Just be careful and don't drop it or anything. So tape is off the back. Tape is off the front. Halfway right here with a little squiggly line, we're going to install the back first. Let that just hang down. Feed it up, pushing firmly, just like that. Now we pull the rest of the tape out. Next thing, after it makes its turn near the top but facing forward, not up, put the buckle right there, push it in, hear it pop, just like that. Second buckle right here. Just like that. Let's roll it up. No bounce back. Third window done. Squiggly line right there. We're going to start at the front. Push it up. Pull the tape out. We're going to push hard. All right. Make sure it rolls up. So that's going to do it for the installation video of the Maxzina rain guards. Y'all can check them out. I got links in the description below. I even pinned one in the comments. So y'all definitely have no excuse not to be running these on your truck. With that said, that's going to end this video. But if you liked it, head on over and check this video out. And if you like that video, you really need to check this one out. With that being said, this video is a wrap. Catch you on the next one. Later now.